I make just $2,000 a month, and I'm on track to become a millionaire before I turn 40. Sounds impossible, right? That's what I thought too, until I changed how I think about money. Let me show you exactly how I'm doing it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working a regular job and think building wealth is only for high earners, this video is going to change the way you think. Today I'm breaking down the exact strategies I'm using while earning just $2,000 a month to build long-term wealth and reach millionaire status. The truth about income versus wealth. Let's get one thing straight. Income and wealth are not the same. You can earn $150,000 a year and still live paycheck to paycheck. And you can earn $24,000 a year and still build wealth. It all depends on what you do with your money. I realized this when I read about a janitor named Ronald Reed, who quietly built an $8 million fortune while working low-wage jobs his whole life. Step 1. Control your spending. The first thing I did, I got brutally honest with myself. I tracked every dollar. I used free tools like Mint and Truebill to see where my money was leaking. Fast food, random Amazon buys, subscriptions I didn't even use. I created a strict budget, 50% needs, 30% savings, investing, and 20% wants. Yup, I save and invest more than I spend on fun. Step 2. Automate investing early. At first, I thought investing was only for rich people. Wrong. I started with just $50 a month using apps like Acorns and Fidelity. It's not about the amount, it's about the habit. With compound interest, time is your best friend. Even at $2,000 a month income, I'm investing 15% automatically before I even see the money. Step 3. Build income streams. Let's be real, just saving won't make you a millionaire fast. So I started building income streams on the side. I did small freelancing gigs, sold old stuff online, and started a simple YouTube channel like this one. You don't need to start a business. You just need to make $300 to $500 extra a month and invest it. That alone can shave years off your millionaire timeline. The 10-year plan. Here's my simple millionaire formula. First, save 30%. Second, invest 15%. Third, grow income 10% per year. Fourth, repeat for 10 to 15 years. And no, it's not overnight, but it's real, it's possible, and you don't need to win the lottery. So if you're stuck in a low-income job and feeling like wealth is out of reach, it's not. Start with what you have, be consistent, and don't let anyone tell you that you need a 6-figure salary to build a 7-figure life. If this inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more real, practical financial content coming soon.